we have a Suzuki Swift engine with a bad oil leak. It's also got a broken off bolt from the rocker cover. Undo 4 10mm bolts from the air filter housing. Remember, there are 4 bolts, not 3. Undo 4 8mm bolts off the spark plug cover. Be careful not to lose the space washers that sit inside the cover. We can see oil that has leaked into 2 of the spark plug holes. This oil has leaked past the faulty gasket. We find the previous installer has pinched the new gasket. He did pay money but also pinched it. Oil would easily leak past the damaged section. These are some easy out bits. The plan is to drill the center of the snapped off bolt. Isolate the exposed internals of the engine. Use a Dremel to make a positive center point. Carefully drill the center of the snapped bolt. Use a soft brush to flick away the metal swarf. You could also carefully use compressed air. Use the easy out in a reverse direction in the power drill.
Look!
Use a suction pump to remove the spark plug area oil. If you take the spark plug out, the oil will flow into the cylinder. This is the suction pump I made, which can pump out fuel or oil. In another video I'll show how the pump's made. Once drained, I then spray degreaser into the spark plug chamber. The degreaser is then suctioned out as well. Wear thongs so you can use your socks. Blast the chambers with compressed air and then wipe clean. If you use your toothbrush, you can clean out these oil breather tubes. Make sure the toothbrush is rinsed before you put it back in the bathroom. I used wax and grease remover to clean out the gasket channel. Always use a fresh sock. Permatex former gasket is painted lightly around the groove. Use a small brush such as an interdental brush. Do not use a used interdental brush as the plaque can affect the bond. Remember, with interdental brushes you can be picky. Now the broken gasket. We ideally need to order a new gasket, but there is no time. We're going to repair it with RTV silicone, which is heat and oil resistant. We place a thin layer of gasket cement over the other surfaces of the gasket. Note the cement on the rocker cover helps hold it in place when you put it over the engine. Keeping the bolts on the rocker cover helps to hold the cover. Obtain a new rocker cover bolt. Set the torque wrench to 11 Newton meters or 8 foot-pounds. Tighten the rocker cover bolts in an alternating pattern. Replace all of the plastics and test drive once the silicone is set. Thanks for watching.